The assignments section of your course is where you go to look at assignments, strangely enough, right? If you click on assignments, it takes you to a list of any assignments you've already created. Well, if you have not created anything yet, of course, this would be empty. So there are a few features of this page. First of all, you see, anytime you see these little square grids here next to items, that means that that item is a drag and droppable item. You can take that stuff and move it. Assignments in the assignment area are broken up into what they call groups, and you can add a new group here in the upper right corner. Right now, the only group I have is a group called assignments. I'm going to add a group, and I'm going to call it graded discussions. I'll save that. And now I have an assignments and a graded discussions. Maybe I don't want assignments to actually be called assignments. Maybe I want it to be named something to differentiate it a little bit more than graded discussions. What I can do is I can hit the gear here and edit, and I'll name this papers instead. And so these are the different types of assignments that we have. I can drag and drop this discussion down here into the graded discussions area, and then that offers that differentiation. The reason why you'd have different groups for assignments is not only just for organization, but also in case you use weights in your grading. So if your discussions are worth X% of the total grade, you could do that this way by separating your different assignments into different assignment groups. The way to create different weights for your grades is by coming up here in the assignments area. You come up to the gear at the very top, and then you put a check mark in this weigh final grade based on assignment groups, and then you could set your different weights. Once you've done that, then it will show you here also that what each of these groups has as far as the percentage weight that you've given it. One important thing to know about the assignments section is that anything that you are grading will show up here, whether it's like a paper that they're submitting, or a graded discussion, or a quiz, or even like a non-submit assignment like something for participation or attendance. All of that shows up. If there's a grade involved, it shows up in assignments. That can potentially cause a little confusion, because if you do have a quiz in your course or quizzes in your course and they are in the assignments, they'll also show up in the quizzes area of your course, which we'll go over in a little bit. That might cause a little confusion for your students if they see it in both places and they wonder, which one they're supposed to take. So it's kind of important to manage your course navigation menu as much as possible. And we'll touch on that when we get to the settings area of the course navigation menu.